Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impreza C60 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a tune-up. We started by cleaning the grinder. This is the old grinder of the machine. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like when we open the burst. We completely clean everything inside of this. All of it, as you can see, everything is clear out of coffee buildup and stuff. We also clean around the machine side, make sure there were no leaks or anything coming out from the thermal blocks, the water pump, or anything in there. We also service the brew unit. This one you see right here. Let's see if you can kind of watch that. There we go. Service the brew unit, remove all this grime and all these coffee beans. We remove the brew unit from the machine itself. Clean everything inside of it. As you can see, everything is nice and clean, nice and service. We clear around the water tank faucet as well. Service the brew unit, and yeah, everything nice and clean. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam functions of the machine. No beans. Forgot to put the beans. Now this is gonna be the first shot of espresso the grinder is doing, so we're gonna do a second one just to calibrate it better. It's going to be better watery as the coffee grounds that just got grinded didn't went fully to the brew unit. So like I say, it's gonna be better watery the first one, but the second one will be better. By calibrating the grinder from scratch, as you saw in the pictures, it was completely clean and it had no coffee buildup or anything inside. As you can see, this shot of espresso looks much better than the other one. We're still calibrating the grinder and we're gonna be dumping this out. Nice shot of espresso coming out of this machine. Great color and great crema as well. Now that the grinder is calibrated to the machine. Looking great. Nice and strong. Good shot of espresso. Now let's test the steamer function of this machine. Now that the machine is ready, we can test it out. We do not have, unfortunately, some of the parts of the steamer one. We do not have the little cap that goes in here, and we do not have the other thingy. We do not have the hose of, and we don't have the hose of the machine. But we'll still be able to see the steam coming out of the one. As you can see, nice pressure coming out of the steamer one. It's definitely trying to siphon through here. Like I said, we do not have the hose. But that's exactly what you want to see from a Jura coming out. The steam coming out from a Jura. Okay, now this is the hot water function of the machine. We just recently used the steamer function, so it's gonna come out with a lot of steam. But once the thermoblock gets up to temperature, you're gonna see that steady stream of hot water, just like so. Great flow. Working excellent. So there you have it, Jura Impreza C60 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.